My name's Craig Smith. I'm the co-owner and president of Sterzing Food Company, located in Burlington, Iowa. We are proud to be Iowa's only potato chip manufacturer, and we're excited to show you our process today about how we make our famous Sterzing's potato chips. So everything here at Sterzing's is dependent upon energy. And when we made our upgrade, we needed more energy. We needed bigger heaters, we needed more fans, we needed more motors, we needed more equipment to do the job because we were growing. Even though we've modernized the equipment, we still pride ourselves on making a potato chip the same way Barney Sterzing's did 85 years ago. We're in our warehouse. We brought in about 45,000 pounds of potatoes from North Dakota. First thing we're going to do, we got to clean these potatoes up. They got a little bit of North Dakota black gold on them here, and we need to get that dirt and a little bit of this skin off of there. Now the peeling process is a long drum. It's going to have brushes in it. We can control the speed, we can control the volume, but we don't want to take every little bit of this off. We want to save a little bit of that for flavor. And so after they're peeled, they're inspected, and they run up to the next level where we're going to weigh them out and get ready to do our specialized batch, kettle style, home style potato chip. Now we're going to take these potatoes, we're going to drop them into a slicer, and we're going to put the exact amount of slices into that fryer. That fryer has to be set at the perfect temperature. And we're going to let these paddles work back and forth and work these slices just to the perfect amount of crispness. After this batch is done, now we're going to remove them, and they're going to sit at a cooling station for just a moment. We don't want them to cool down too much because now we're going to add them to our seasoner. They're either going to be salted, or they're going to have sour cream and onion spice put on, or our barbecue. Today we're making our sour cream and onion. After that happens, we're going to inspect one more time to make sure every chip is perfect, and we're going to send them off to the packaging process. In our packaging process, the chips are slowly conveyed to the scale. The scale is going to weigh it perfectly for that bag, what we're making that day. We're going to drop those chips into the bag. Of course, we're going to add a little air to have a little cushion in there, and now we're going to package those up and get them ready to go onto our trucks and to be delivered to our grocery customers.